They say never microwave a grape, but why? Today, we find out. First step, get some grapes. Second step, cut them, you might want to zoom in a little for this. Cut them not fully halfway, but just enough so we can see what's going on inside. So just like so, there you go. Get another one here. Yeah, that's looking good there. All right, we got the grapes cut. Step 3, grab grapes, put them in the microwave. 30 seconds. Now we wait. Timer's up. Let's see what they look like. Oh my Lord. Wow. It's like a plasma or something. Look at this. Come zoom in on this. It became like hollowed out. Here, let me cut them in half. Look at that. It actually kind of smells good. It kind of smells like cinnamon buns. I'm not even lying. Try it home? I think not. But subscribe if you're shocked.